If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the loading issue persists. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the settings menu and select system software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your system updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Rebuild database. Start your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database. This process can help fix corrupted data that may be causing the loading issue. Step 4. Clear cache. In safe mode, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. This option will help remove temporary files that may be causing the console to hang on the loading screen. Step 5. Factory reset. If all else fails, you can perform a factory reset. In safe mode, select Reset PS5. Be aware that this will erase all data, so ensure you have backups of your important files before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue on your PlayStation 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.